I've worked in legal lead gen for years. One of the things you learn fast is that when people need help from the government, they usually have to fight for it. Disability benefits, for example. You get hurt, you can't work, you file a claim with the system you've been paying into your whole career, and then the government tells you to prove it. I've been building a tool that maps a person's medical situation against the government's strict approval criteria. It shows them where their case is strong and what they may still be missing. But you can only manually test the same UI 1,000 times before you become the Social Security Administration's leading expert on carpal tunnel. So today we're using a GitHub project called Bowser. You describe what you want tested in plain English, and it sends a team of agents to click through your app, just like real users would, but screenshotting every step and then telling you exactly what they found and what to fix. Let's point Bowser at the app I've been working on and see what we can learn. If you've ever built one of these apps, you know just how much time goes into manually testing. So I want to see how much of that we can eliminate with a browser testing tool. Today we're going to try Bowser, the GitHub project by Indie Dev Dan. This is a real app that I built, an SSDI disability case mapper. It works, but there's no automated testing, no QA. Let's see if we can fix that with Bowser. Clone the project from GitHub. These are the files that it installed into the project. So we've got agents, commands, skills, and then somewhere to put our user stories. These are the examples that it ships with. Plain English instructions we're going to build for user stories that are unique to our app. Should see them here after Claude adds them. Happy path, audit, form validation, landing page, first impressions, and then language review. One of the really cool things is that it takes screenshots of every single step. So you have a full audit trail of exactly what the agent saw at every single step. Let's give Claude Code those instructions. It's all finished with the user story. Open up one of the user stories so we can see. We've got 4 files, 4 perspectives, a happy path, form validation, landing page first impressions, and a copy audit. Each one is its own reusable test that we can run, share, edit, do whatever we want with. Now check this out. I know that automated user testing with tools like Playwright is not necessarily a brand new technology. There's something magical about watching your digital creations tested automatically. The way that this project has packaged it all up into a way that makes it easy for somebody like me who is a non-developer is incredible. All the agents are finished now. Okay, this is our final report card. This is all great stuff. That it takes all these screenshots is awesome. Let's look at some of them. Broken out by user story. And that was all from just one command, this command right here. Bowser isn't just for user testing. It ships with a couple of other ready-made workflows. One of them that I want to show you uses the Claude Chrome MCP to actually control your Chrome browser. You can have it shop for you on Amazon. Let's take a look at that. They're built into these commands. He's got this Amazon add to cart, same plain English workflows that we just tested. Chrome opens Amazon, searches, clicks into results, adds it to the cart, and stops at checkout. Amazing. That was Bowser by Indie Dev Dan. Great YouTube channel. Give him a follow. I'm sure I didn't do justice at all to the Bowser project. It has a ton more features that I didn't even get into and that I will probably barely ever understand. But the fact that you can just clone Bowser into your code base, give it a simple user story, and have it execute that level of testing autonomously is incredible. Hopefully that opened your eyes a little bit to see what's possible with browser agent testing.